What are the top 5 Christmas treats? As you cook your Christmas goose or glazed ham while sipping some warm spiced cider, what is your all-time favorite Christmas treat? Well, instead of viewing this idea from just a commercialized perspective, we will taste these morsels through our cultural lenses. Starting at number 5, we have mincemeat pie, which 13th century Holy Crusaders in the Middle East bring home to Europe. It is filled with shredded meat, fruits, and spices, and it may trace its history back to the ancient Roman tradition of delivering sweetmeats to the Vatican during the Saturnalia festival. Modern mincemeat is usually minus the meat plus cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Gingerbread walks into the number 4 spot. This Christmas treat comes in various forms, such as the famous gingerbread man and his decorated house. An Armenian monk, Gregoire de Nicopolis, is thought to bring gingerbread to Europe in the late 10th century, and it comes to the Americas in the 18th century, where it is made with molasses. Circling number 3 is the famous fruitcake. Now, there are 2 types of people in this world, those who like fruitcake and those who do not. I happen to like it. Originating in ancient Rome, it is often aged with brandy or other liquors and is given as gifts. If it is moist and filled with those nuts and candied fruits, it can be quite delicious and festive. My mom liked Johnny Carson's quote that there is only one fruitcake in the entire world and people keep sending it to each other. Pouring into the number 2 cup, we have satisfying eggnog. This Christmas drink is made with eggs, sugar, milk, nutmeg, and vanilla. For an extra nog, you may also add a splash of rum. The word origin of nog may come from either the name of strong English ale or a wooden mug that serves alcohol. Eggnog may have started as a 16th century English drink called posset, complete with milk, sugar, and spiced wine. Starring at the number 1 stage is the ubiquitous candy cane. This sweet peppermint confection gets its start as a white candy stick. There is a legend which says a German choirmaster bent the sticks into J-shapes to resemble the Bethlehem shepherd's cane in the 1st century and hand them to the children in church. In 1847, another German immigrant to America is credited for decorating a Christmas tree with candy canes. In the 1920, American Robert McCormick adds the red stripes to mass-produce them for the world. Now, in addition to the refreshing peppermint, you can find them in a variety of flavors in your Christmas stocking to the delight of children and adults alike. As you know, taste is in the tongue of the beholder. So please let me know your favorite Christmas treats in the comments, and if you have yet to do so, please subscribe by tapping that jingle bell all the way below with your likes. In our next episode, we will continue Christmas culture with a trip to Bethlehem. Until then, I'm Mark Thomas for Anthronauts.com.
Booyah! Anthronauts!